Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the gesture navigation type and then some kind of tricks and tips which are associated with this navigation type. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the home screen. Then let's scroll all the way down to find System Navigation and tap on it. And let's tap on the gestures. So here your device is proposing you the tutorial. Of course, you can go through it if you want to. I don't want to. Obviously, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line, which is responsible for some gestures. And in a second, I'll show you how to use them. So if you wish to come back to the previous page, go back to the previous page. Just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center and release it. And the same from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. Moreover, if you've got a lot of apps opened, and for example, you do not really want to enter the recents to find the app, etc., you can try to use the swiping gesture to switch between the apps. All you have to do is to swipe your finger at the bottom from the left to the right or from the right to the left, something like that. As you can see, we just moved to my gallery, here to AI subtitles, whoa, and again. As you can see, sometimes it has quite a lot of problems because we've got another option which is associated with the bottom of the screen, which is circle to search, which I've intended to show it to you in a second, but the device decided for me. But however, you see the whole rule of how to swipe between the apps, and the circle to search as the last, let's say, feature which you can use with the gestures is to simply tap on this line and hold it, and your device will open the circle to search. Tap on it and hold it. And here we've got the circle to search, so we can either use Google or we can mark specific section in the screen and our device will search for the results. So let me just mark maybe this glass. And as you can see here, we've got the AI overview. Here we've got also visual matches, etc. So this is how you can look for specific items if you wish. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.